Welcome to StudyGram, your academic therapy. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. What would be your perfect day? As in, your ideal day? That is, when you went to bed that night and you would think that this was the most incredible day and that I want all my days to be just like this. I am the one who controls that, whether or not I will have a good day. All of us, we are the ones that decide that negative things will have a good or a bad impact on our lives. It's our mentality. Your mind is a battleground. No one can decide whether or not you are going to have a good day, but your own mind. You must come up with a morning routine that you do every single morning that puts you in control of yourself and in control of your day. This is what I do, and I cannot explain you the power that I get from starting my day off to and being in control. First and foremost, wake up on time. When that alarm beeps, take your butt out of bed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Why is this important for persistence? The reason why is because the first decision that you are making for the day is actually to get off and to get moving. That means you are persistently bigger than your excuses. You are persistently bigger than feeling lazy. And that you are persistently beating the feeling that stops you. You no longer have to be the victim of the past. You no longer have to be the victim to the future, wherein you are projecting negativity. You no longer have to be the victim of what anyone has said about you. You no longer have to be the victim of what you have said about yourself. You no longer have to be the victim of anything. To affirm your vision every day. And don't affirm it as I am trying or I wish or I want to, but as I am. I am is the creative force of the universe. Whenever you attach I am to anything, you will become that. Whenever you say I am tired, I am frustrated, I am lonely, I think you are inviting more that it is in it. So, the principle is to turn it around and invite what you want in your life. 3 questions you want to ask yourself on a regular basis. How can I grow? What can I give? What should I celebrate? You want to live because you are evolving every day. You want to ask yourself every day, how can I grow? Because at the end of the day, you are not the same person that went to bed. You had an insight. You had a revelation. You have practiced something new. You have tried something new so that you can mold yourself. I do not want to be the same person for 365 days. I want to evolve. I want to be more myself. I want to express myself better. Second thing before you pick up the phone. Please, your priorities for the day first. The things that matter to you. Whether it is saving money and making sure you focused on that, or showing up at work, or focusing on something that you need to achieve, or changing how you treat your spouse or kids, or getting to the gym because you said you would. Whatever it is, put them in your head before you touch your phone. Why? The reason why is because of persistence. Because I want you to have a good day. Living every moment. Being excited about what you are doing. Make the most of it. Enjoy every moment. Live every day as if it were your last day. Success is a journey, not a destination. So, live in the moment and enjoy the moment. Do you know what makes for a bad day? A bad day is starting your day late, starting your day off tired, starting your day by looking at everybody. What is everybody doing on social media and looking at everybody else's life and saying yourself, oh my god, they are on a vacation. Oh my god, their life is so good or so fancy. You start your day looking at bad shit. You're never gonna have a good day then. You start your day by getting up on time, figuring up your priorities, then getting to work on them. Do not pick up your phone until you have done those two things. I think the single most and the biggest reason why people have a bad day is because they started off by looking at everybody else, seeing what they are doing instead of focusing on what you have to do. Having a control of yourself. We hope you liked our video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you.